How to stop sharing accounts on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can stop sharing accounts on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, tap on the three line at the top right, and then under settings and activity, tap on account center at the top. Under account center, you have to scroll all the way down and then tap on accounts. Now from here, you have to select the account that you want to remove. Tap on remove next to that account and then tap on remove account. Tap on continue. And here tap on finish removing, and after that your account will be removed from Instagram. And that's how you can stop sharing accounts on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.